What is up, guys? Snowy Biscuit with my mouth back at you with another video today. This is part 2 of the last Fortnite video I did, and my brother, which is the creator of the channel, is going to join and play with me. So, yeah. Huh? Oh, okay, so his game is loading. He just told me that. His name is Vinny Ninja right here. Why did I mute him? I used to play on his account, but now that I got my own account, I play on my account. And I got John Wick. Oh, I didn't show on the last part. I didn't show you the dance I got. It came with the John Wick set. So emote I got. So first I was a noob. And now I'm a pro, bro. I got bulletproof. That means so. On the skin there. Hold on. Let it finish. Right here. On the skin, you can see some bullets on the legs and stuff right here. When you do the bulletproof emote, watch the bullets. They leave. That's so cool. I like the animations on this game. He's joining. I'm gonna go check his screen right now, guys. Okay. He's almost in, guys. So I'll just be organizing my stuff. I got that. No song yet. Looking at the battle pass, I got this. I really want this, the turbo spin. I want that. And here's lava rising. I want that too. I want V-Bucks. I only have 100, and I really want to get I just saw it. I don't know. It was probably from the last update. But oh, he's in, guys. I'll join him right now. Watch out! Guys, no wait. They can't hear you because I don't have computer auto on. Hello? They can't hear you because I don't have computer auto on. I know, but I don't have computer auto on, so they can't hear you. Come here. Come here. Come on, dude. I'm calling him, and he's not even coming. Okay. I don't have computer auto on, so they can't hear you.
Can you turn it on?
I'll have to end the video. No, they can't hear you though, cause I don't have computer auto.
Just do it right now.
I can't. I'll have to stop the video.
Okay, tell them.
No, I'm not gonna stop.
No, just tell them.
And I can't anyways, cause I don't have to pay. I already tried it, so I can't.
No, just stop it and then just make a new one.
No way, I can stop it and pause it. It pauses. That's okay, guys. I'm back. Yeah. So he's ready up. He can't hear me because my mic doesn't work, so I have to yell. Just it. Oh my god. John Wick looks so weird when he does that dance. That's so weird. John Wick. Oh, I saw Bunker Jonesy. What is this? This is one of the chicken dances, I bet. Hello? They can't hear. What's this drift? There's Bunker Jonesy. So cool. Oh, you can get. Oh, that's a robot dog. Bunker Basher. Cool. Scarlet Strike. I really want that. Flying disc. Are you in? Ready up. Oh my gosh, look at his skin. Ready up. Okay, guys. Huh? I want to see what tier 100 is. Guys, if you have tier 100, comment down below. You can get Stental Dark and Vandella. Cool. What's this? Okay, guys. If you have tier 100, comment down below. I'm on tier 7 right now. Oh, he's ready up. Okay, let's go. We're playing duos right now. Why is it on don't fail? Ugh, I'm tired. Okay. So, it's going. We are joining in. What is that noise? Okay. Okay, so. Okay. Let's join in the match. It takes a long time to load, so. I'm gonna change my loading screen. This is a Halloween loading screen right here. I don't want it. Oh, let's go. Hello, peoples. We're on a duos match. Yep. Gonna try and get a dub here. Booyah. Alright, I don't have a map, so put the marker on. Okay, where we landed? Okay, where are we going? They can't hear you! He doesn't understand that I don't have computer add on, so you guys can't hear him. I'm jumping. Okay. Let's go. I think I'm gonna get this chest or whatever. Like a weapon first. Oh! What do you have on? I call this chest. Oh yeah. Oh, I got a gun. Nah, that's a shadow. Oh. Hello there. Give me some more guns. I only have one. Someone's coming. I know. That's what I said. Guys, someone's here. I'll come out and help. When they walk in. I'll get your reboot card. They know. Oh, come on. Okay. Play another one. So, let's play another one. That was a really quick match, guys. No, wait, I want to do Wix Bounty. Oh, right. Don't fail. I'm ready up. Okay, guys, so now we're doing Wix Bounty. I want to do some challenges, so land a happy helmet. Wait, I already did that one. Let's go to mine. Wix Bounty here. Win a match of Wix Bounty. I'll try and do that. I already did this one. I need to do that one. Huh? Okay, hold on. Let me do this. Play emote. Bulletproof. Oh yeah, I like the damaged mode, and he likes the default mode. So yeah. Whoops. Party failed to connect. What happened? Oh no. Ooh, we're going in. Clan bounties. Earn gold tokens by eliminating enemy players. I already read. What? What? Okay, so let's play. Where'd you go? Where are you? Oh, there's a drift guy here. I mean, with the drift pickaxe. What? Where? I don't have. Okay, I don't care. He said he calls vending machine, guys, but I don't care. Remember, I got a vending machine in the first part. Remember, guys? What? Okay. Look at me. I couldn't. I didn't have time. Okay. Your mission is to earn gold tokens by eliminating enemy players. Alright, bro. So yeah. Let's go. High value targets are shown on the map, so be careful if you have the lead. Okay. Where are we landing? Dusty. We're passing Dusty. We're passing Pressure. Okay. Jumping. I'm jumping. Let's go. Anonymous 271 knocked out Wimpy Kid. Cool. Let's land, brother. I call the house that I'm landing on. Oh, I see a chest there. I call this house right here, or whatever it is. I don't have a weapon. Now I do. Wait, where? I did, but like, where are they landing? Where are they landing? Okay, but come kill them, cause I don't know where they are. And you do probably. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Get the shotgun out. I don't know where they are. You kill them. Wait. The other building? Oh, okay. Well, I'll go there later. Okay. Oh, wait. What? Hold on. Sure? Hold on. I want that gun. Okay. Got my assault rifle out. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Okay. I'm looking for some stuff for weapons. See some down there. I missed something though. I realized that. What? What? Yes, I am. I'm looking for weapons. And I hear shooting. I'm right here. Here, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I can't. I'm lagging. I don't know why. Oh, I can use this. Ow, that shoots me back. I forgot. Boom. That shoots me back. I don't like that though. Okay, I got an assault. I know. I'll go this way. It is? What? Oh, you did? Take the coin. I went totally the wrong way. Ooh, tack. I'll take that. Look what gun I got. Look it. Look what gun I got. Cool.
Do you have to be yelling?
Who cares? I do not want that gun actually. Take that. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm good. I thought I just saw an ammo box somewhere. We need to go. Now. The storm is coming. Let's go. The storm is coming. Oh, there you are. Let's go. Can move. Oh wait, I can edit. I forgot I know how to edit. What? Wrong way. I edited wrong. All right, we're good. Come in. What is that? Oh, take the sheet. Oh, I already have a tack. I don't want my tack. Tack is sliding. Someone's been here. Take that ammo. Where'd you go? Oh. Nobody went there. What? Oh. Which way did you go? Like, is there a door somewhere? I don't know where you are. Oh, here it is. Is there an ammo box? No. Oh, I saw some meds back here. Some bandies. That's your fault, bro! Geysers? Where are the geysers? I don't see a geyser. Oh, I see them. Run. I know, I saw it. Hurry, the storm's right on our tails. Wait. Let's go. I'm gonna land on the ground. Yep, I'm landing. Whoa. Okay. Well, I might not make it.